The Senate has drawn the line. Take on the task or lose the budget. So, after consultation with the DA family, we rise to meet the moment. Sobrang mahalaga ang farm-to-market roads, hindi lang para sa ating mga magsasaka at sa sektor ng agrikultura, kundi para rin sa kaunlaran ng kanayunan at kasigurahan ng sapat, ligtas at abot-kayang pagkain sa buong bansa. Para sa bayan, hindi namin tatalikuran ang hamon ng panahon. According to Senator Gatchalian's own estimates, over 10 billion in potential overpricing has plagued the 70,000 kilometers of FMRs already built. We have actually flagged these, and we consider this as ghost or semi-ghost projects as we have earlier reported. This is enough to construct a 2-lane highway from Manila to Apari. This is no minor discrepancy. These are roads the nation paid for, yet many of our farmers have yet to walk on them. Let me be very clear. We will not go at this alone. This mandate is too large, too critical, and too prone to misuse to be entrusted to a single agency. We need and we will work hand in hand with local governments who know their communities best. We will bring in farmer groups whose livelihoods depend on these roads, and we will need to enlist independent auditors and third-party surveyors, of course, mga reputable ho, to ensure every peso serves its true purpose. If we're going to build roads, they must lead to farms, not fraud. Let this be the start of something better, transparent, inclusive, and truly in service of the Filipino people.